Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at how to delete your Google website from Google in 2023. We know a year or two it was much easier to do with the old Google Business Profile management system, but now you can't access that. So what that means is if we want to manage our business profile, for example, for our own company, Web Designs, you'll see it's all managed through the Google SERP or the Google Search Engine Results page. That's okay though. So to remove our Google website from Google, all we need to do now is go to Edit Profile, wait for this one to load, then we'll scroll down to Website, left click here, and you'll see here it says you have a website created with Google. That's all good. We'll click Manage. And great. So we'll just close out of that one. And now, let's just skip through a few of these. We're now back in the old Google Business Profile Manager. So to simply hide this website from live view, we click More, Unpublish Websites, and there we go. That's it. You'll see now that's updated to say your site is not yet published, and we now have the button here to click to make it live again. That's everything. If you have any questions or concerns, pop them in the comments and we'll be more than happy to help.